The snowstorm will make a thrilling bird. Illustrated by John Kastner. It is getting cold outside. The wind is blowing. There is a nip in the air. Yema and Aisha run into the house. They get their coats. They come back outside. White flakes begin to fall. Zayma and Aisha open their mouth. They catch snow on their tongue. The snow begins to fall fast. It falls faster and faster. The snow gets deep. It gets deeper and deeper. The wind blows harder. It gets colder and colder. Zayma and Aisha go into the house. It feels to be warm.